Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lee and I thought I would take you along with me on my first attempt to cook real food in my air fryer. I got this air fryer before Thanksgiving and I've really only used it to reheat things. I haven't used it to cook real food in. And today when I was at Sam's, I got these chicken drumsticks on clearance, reduced, whatever you want to call it. So I thought I would attempt those in my air fryer. I'm going to start off by placing the drumsticks in a bowl. They still come out of the plastic. Then I'm going to drizzle them with just a little bit of olive oil. Next, I'm going to sprinkle them with my 3 favorite seasonings: black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Next, I'm going to sprinkle them with this bruschetta seasoning mix. I got this at Sam's, and this is my son's favorite, so that's what we're going with today. Now I'm just going to mix them up. You want to make sure all of the drumsticks have seasoning on them. Now I'm just going to place them in the basket. Not really sure how many I can put in here. All right, we'll go with 4 since these are pretty big. Put it in. Then I'm going to turn it on, the mode button over to chicken, and start. It says 20 minutes, so I think you're supposed to turn them over in 10, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. I'm going to open this up. You can see they already look really good. I'm gonna flip them over. And put them back in. Okay, time's up, so I'm going to take these out. This is, whoops, this is what they look like. I'm going to test them to make sure the internal temperature is at least 165. My thermometer's messed up, but yeah, they're done. They are good to go. So 20 minutes at 360 and it worked like a charm. And here you have it. It worked out so well. It's crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, just like you want your chicken to be. Normally, if I cook chicken in the oven, I tend to overcook it. So this is a much better method. If you have an air fryer and you have any tips and tricks, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, hit that bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook at Lee'sHome05. Thanks for watching. Bye.